Hello, welcome back. Here's how you can make a transition in After Effects, a motion graphic editing program with sliding door. That's to say, the middle part of a video will be pinched outwards so that there's this sliding door kind of look. So let's create one. So let's say if you have the footages, one with a cheerful girl and another with mountains, drag it into the project, and then once you're done, let's say if we have the footage of mountains first, and then at 5 seconds the transition begins. So to make a transition, right click on the left side of the timeline, head over to new solid, and then make it dark blue, and then click on OK, and then we're going to actually apply an effect that allows the sliding door transition to take place. It's called the light wipe. Under effects and presets, type light wipe and then drag it into this blue solid, just like so, and then make the shape doors, and then decrease the intensity to 0, and then do it like this pretty much. Fancy. Now let's tick the box for reverse transition, and then you can even, change the direction to this, for example, so that the transition goes diagonal. Since you want to start the transition from 5 seconds, set the completion to 100%, and then turn on the stopwatch. And then let's say at 6 seconds, 1 second after 5 seconds, you want to, cover the area with blue. Decrease the completion rate to 0%, and then let's drag the footage with the cheerful girl. Let's say it starts from this duration, and then go under the blue solid, effects, light wipe, just like this. Select the effects alongside the the remaining options, but first smoothen the movement. Select the keyframes, right click assistant easy ease, and then Ctrl C to copy, and then Ctrl V on this layer that has this cheerful girl. Ctrl V to paste it, just like so. That's how you can make a transition with this sliding door in After Effects. Pretty easy, especially if you want to actually add some, motion graphic touch, a simple motion graphic touch into your video editing projects. Thank you for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For me, it's good day. Ciao.